Hello guys, and welcome to my another tutorial video. Today, we are going to learn how to make a Lightroom in Cinema 4D. So, without any further ado, let's jump straight into the tutorial. Let's start with making a room structure. Get a cube. For now, let's make the size 200 by 100 by 200 centimeters. Make the shape editable and selecting the face tool, delete one of the face. After that, select all faces and press D to extrude it. Click and drag or put the desired offset in the properties to make an extrusion in the shape. Let's place it so that we can see the room only. Reverse the normal of the shape. Let's select the three walls and inner extrude them. Let's extrude them 5 centimeters inwards. Again, extrude the depth and extrude them -3 centimeters. Now it is time to make the materials. Double-click on the materials panel to create new material and drag it onto the cube to assign the material to it. Open the materials and do as I do, or you can change the color to your like. Whatever makes you satisfied. Let's make materials for the walls. Double-click to make another material. Rename it to be safe from confusion. I'm making this side yellow, so I'm renaming it Yellow Light. Do as I do in the video. Again, you are free to choose any color. To apply it to the wall, select any wall and just drag and drop it. It will be assigned. Do the same things for the remaining 2 walls as well. I am making the ceiling light as well. Just make a new material, and while just only luminance turned on, it will do the trick. Make a camera and assign a protection tag to it, so that we can lock its position. Let's make a sphere and arrange it so it is inside the room, sitting at the floor. Let's change the room material because we will be adding the same material to the sphere as well. I am making it a bit reflective just for my liking, but you can experiment on the materials and do something completely else also. It is just my preference to make it shiny. Since it is way too dark outside the room, I am going to add a sky object in the scene and assign the same white light material as the ceiling, to the sky. In your render setting, add ambient occlusion and global illumination and put the desired resolution and save destination for the file. And render it. And you will be done. If you like this tutorial, like and subscribe, and I will be seeing you next episode.